Tired of boring desserts that take forever? What if I told you there's a sweet, crunchy escape waiting for you in just minutes? Get ready to meet your new favorite dessert, the Pineapple Crunch Delight. We're talking layers of tropical sweetness, creamy goodness, and that irresistible golden crunch. Today, I'm going to spill all the secrets to making this showstopper without breaking a sweat, even if you've never baked before. You'll learn how to whip up this crowd pleaser that tastes like you spent hours, but actually comes together faster than your favorite sitcom episode. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Another complicated dessert? But here's the magic. This recipe is so straightforward, it practically makes itself. Many people believe incredible desserts need a chef's touch, but we're debunking that myth right now. Our secret weapon? Canned crushed pineapple? Because who has time to wrestle with a whole pineapple? We're pairing that juicy goodness with a creamy, dreamy blend of cream cheese and whipped topping for a cloud-like texture. Then, for that crunch in our Crunch Delight, we're building a buttery, sugary graham cracker crust that bakes up golden and irresistible. The real trick is layering everything just right and giving it enough chill time to let those flavors meld into pure perfection. It's like a flavor party in your mouth. So there you have it, a dessert that's easy enough for beginners, but impressive enough for any special occasion. It's truly a delight. Ready for more amazing dessert ideas? Click here to watch my top 5 no-bake treats.